everybody, so I will be unboxing the Dolce & Gabbana K.
Yo, sound the bell, school is in, sucker. Can't touch this. Give me a song or rhythm, making them sweat. That's what I'm giving them now. They know. You're talking about the hammer, you're talking about a show that's hot and tight.
So this is like, this is how it looks. K for King. I like the crown, like the silver. This I think it's plastic diamond, but it looks nice. Actually, it looks like a little pearl kind of diamond, but that's nice. So you have a K, and then it shows like the crown, Dolce & Gabbana, and this is 100 ml. So yeah, so this it's like a rectangle prism. So 100 ml is like a lot, and it's really good for like parties. So, bye guys.